Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this tutorial, and in this video I will show you how you can reduce the audio noise level. So let's get started. First of all, you need to select your audio. So I select my audio clip here from here, and you need to select audio from here, and you will see a audio track mixer window, something like that. Then you need to click on this small arrow, that is the effect and sense. Click on it and you will find a couple of drop down options here in this window. As you can see, effect selection, you need to click on it, and here you will find a noise reduction and restoration option. Click on it and click on denoise. So when you just double click on this denoise option, you can find a controller for audio noise level reduction. This actually you can make it to any level. Now you need to play your video clip and match the level you want.
Browser and just search for a repository.
I don't know whether you can notice the change here,
my GitHub account,
but you will definitely see a change when you do it all by yourself.
Randomly select.
So just place the level, reduction level, as your suit will, I mean according to your need, and then cancel the window. Then another noise actually some people faces, that is the reverb. When you are actually recording your video in a small room, then the audio actually reverbs sometimes, so you need to de-reverb your audio to make it more efficient. So just on the next drop down option, click on it, the same option, noise reduction and restoration, and click on de-reverb. And in the same way, you have to double click on de-reverb to get the controller and play your audio, and so just place your level
and
where as according to your need. So that's all for this video. I will catch you on the next one.